Ancestry added something new to their Sideview technology this week, and it's called Chromosome Painter. I'm Ellen Thompson-Jennings. I call myself the Family History Hound. Let's have a look at what everybody in the genealogy community is talking about. So how do we find this Chromosome Painter? Well, we go to the DNA summary page, then we click the Discover Your DNA story. If you were recently in your ethnicity when Ancestry introduced us to the Sideview technology, then you saw screens like these. Now it said here that I had an update to my ethnicity, but my percentages are the same as I had before. Here's where you find that new piece. If you scroll past your ethnicity, you'll see Ethnicity Inheritance, and this is where Ancestry has separated out your ethnicity by parent. Ancestry has the largest DNA database, so that's why they're able to do this. If you're looking at this for the first time, it will say Parent 1 and Parent 2. Once you know which parent it is, you can update the parent to maternal and paternal. So I did this a few weeks ago. But now you see this new section called Chromosome Painter, and it states that it's beta. Now we can click that View Breakdown. Then you'll be taken to this screen. So when I was first learning about Chromosome Painter, I saw that quite a few people didn't understand where they could find this. So I thought I'd point them out. You can find them either by clicking here or here. Before you leave this page, if you haven't already looked around, then take a moment to see if you can identify which parent is Parent 1 and which is Parent 2. By clicking each of the buttons for each of the ethnicity group, you can see which side you got which ethnicity, or in some cases you got a bit from each parent. Sometimes it's not that easy to figure out. I'm lucky because that French DNA that I have comes from my mystery great-grandfather on my father's side. You can also learn more about all your ethnicity results at Ancestry if you watch my other video called What's in Your DNA at Ancestry, my AncestryDNA ethnicity results, and you'll find a link to this video in the show notes. Once you click that button, you'll see an image like this. What this is showing you is your Parent 1 and Parent 2 ethnicity as it applies to each of the chromosomes. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I can't wait to see what new other things we'll learn with this new Sideview technology. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified of new videos as they come out. Thanks. Have a great day.